Bring us up to speed, Ivor. What exactly have the Kremlin said?
Well, you can be sure, Leah, that Moscow will be watching events in the Middle East with great concern, because Iran and Russia are very close allies. Last year they signed what's called a strategic partnership pact.
This is an official emergency announcement by the government of the Volksstaat of Nieuw, Netherlands. We regret to inform you all that our beloved director Karl Lennart van Antilles is dead. He passed away on Sunday after a short illness, which due to its sudden nature, was quickly investigated. It was found that the nerve agent Novichok was in his system, which caused his untimely and tragic passing. After further investigation, it was found that he was poisoned by agents of the Republic of Vother. This horrific assassination of our beloved director cannot and will not go unpunished. In the coming days, the National Board, which will be led on an interim basis by General Armin Tamzurian, will begin the national revenge against Vothar. No weapon is to be ruled out, and the Votharians will face the full enraged might of the Volksstaat. Until further notice, there will be no internet nationwide, no television broadcasts, and a mandatory curfew of 7 p.m. is in effect. All men of military age must report to their local draft office immediately. Failure to do so will result in summary execution. Our beloved director will be avenged. Dis bereert niet, want de zoon komt altijd op.